Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use and enable adaptive power mode and how to easily extend battery life just by doing it on the iPhone 17 Air. So first, what we need to do, we need to open up the settings. Now here in the settings, we want to go over to the battery, which is right here in the first section, almost at the bottom. And as you guys can see, all we have to do is scroll down until we see the power mode. It's right below the charging and right above the battery percentage, so it's very easy to find. And if it's enabled for you, it should already say adaptive, but if it's not, then it will look like this and it will just say power mode, and there won't be any adaptive option. So now what we want to do, we want to go over to power mode and enable it, and this is how you guys can easily do that. So as you guys can see, whenever our battery usage is higher than usual, the iPhone will extend our battery life just by making the performance tweaks. So it will try and tweak the performance, and it will basically lower our display brightness. It will allow some activities to take longer than they should do, or it will turn on the low power mode automatically at 20%. So whenever you're on the low power mode, then iPhone will try and reduce the background activities. It will also reduce the processing speed, so everything will definitely feel slower, and it will change the display refresh rate from 120 to 60 Hz. So it can also limit some features like 5G, but I've never had a situation where my 5G was cut off just by using the low power mode, but it will definitely stop the iCloud sync and the mail fetch. So there's a lot more to it. This is what we know from the Apple, and that's basically how the adaptive power can extend your battery life. It was introduced in iOS 26, and since we've got the iOS 17 line, including the iPhone 17 Air, we have it by default in our phones. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.